everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I created a bit more of a colorful daytime look, so if you want to see how I created it, then please keep watching. And also look at my cute earrings, they're little elephants. I love it. And I'm wearing like a silver belt so the two match, and I feel cute. I'm gonna start off with my Smashbox primer and spray it on my face. I'm starting with my face today, so I'm going to take a bit of my Body Shop foundation and I'm going to dot it onto my face. And a bit here to make sure I blend it. I'm using a dual fiber brush to kind of push the product around so it's all over my face. And then I just go in afterwards with my beauty blender to smooth it out. For concealer, I'm using Classic Ivory by LA Girl, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes to brighten up. And you know, usually this foundation I have on, it looks too yellow to me now, but towards the end when I'm done, I'm like, okay, it actually doesn't match too bad, it actually looks quite nice. So does that mean the color doesn't match me and I just get used to what it looks like, which is bad, or does the color actually like oxidize and settle in the way that does match me? Whichever one it is, I am gonna have to get myself a new foundation sometime soon, so just gotta deal with it until it's done. Blush in my life, so I'm gonna mix those two. Now I know the amount of powder I apply might look kind of shocking, especially since I have dry skin, but I manage it by applying my setting spray afterwards. My setting spray really makes everything kind of soak in. It adds the moisture that the powder needs to look normal. At the moment I look very cakey and very dry, but you will see in a second, once I've blended this out and once I've sprayed the setting spray, it'll all look nice. You kind of just have to make sure everything is perfect. You don't want to apply any more powder when you're done before you apply the setting spray, because otherwise it's just going to look funny if you apply it over top. Highlighter is still fine, but like blush and a little bit of extra coverage underneath your eyes, not so much. So I'm also quickly going to contour my nose just a little bit, and then I'm going to spray. It's quite refreshing, I'll tell you that. For my brows, I'm going to take some eyeshadow and lightly fill them in. I remember this one year for New Year's, probably like 2 years ago. I wore this dress that had pink ruffles at the bottom and at the top had like this crisscrossy black material with little squares open in it. And it looked real pretty and it was real comfortable, but I only wore it inside to see what it looks like, what it fits like and all that before I went out with it the night. And then when I sprayed my setting spray and it all kind of rained down on me the way it usually does, it landed in all the little holes in the fabric and it was just like cold everywhere the setting spray fell. And I realized I'm gonna be standing outside all night and I'm gonna be cold in all these specific spots. And it was definitely an interesting evening and it was cold, but at least it looked nice, I guess. I'm sure I still have a photo of it somewhere. This is what it looked like. And at least our New Year's is in summer and not in winter, so I wasn't standing outside in the snow or anything. But that doesn't mean it's warm. Now finally onto eyes. I'm going to be using my Carli Bybel palette because I really want to use this color, and whenever I say there's a specific color I want to use, it's usually that one, but today I'm going to create more of a daytime type of look with it instead of a more dramatic night out type of look with it because I'm on my way to campus. So I'm going to start out with my fluffy blending brush like this, and I'm going to take this color and pick it up and blend it into my crease. Next I'm going to go in with this color, just not blending it up as high. And then for little dimension, I'm picking up this light brown color, a touch of the dark one for good luck, and then I'm going to work it into this outer part. I'm going to take the same colors right on my lower lash line, like so. so that I'm not that top heavy. And then just making sure everything is blended. Then I'm picking up this color with my finger so that I get a decent payoff. And I'm going to apply it on my lids. To open up my eyes, I'm using this nude color in my waterline. I'm going to take some black and tight line at the top. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeliner and something with a flat edge to try and make tiny yet chunky wings. And for that, I'm just going to angle it a bit upper than usual and then draw it there. Oh, okay, I'll have to clean that in a minute. Not my best liner day, but at least they're on. Next is some mascara to kind of balance out the wings a bit with the lashes. And for that, I'm using this one by Essence, the Get Big Lashes Volume Curl one. For lips, I'm going to use this Essence Velvet Matte Lipstick in color number 3. It's real hydrating, so I'm going to apply it all over. I'm going to use this Design Chubby Lip Crayon in the color Vogue, I think, and just add a little bit of darkness to the edges so that I have bigger looking lips. And then I'm just going to use this highlighter in my Carli Bybel palette to highlight my face. Now yes, the lip products are cream products and they do tend to wear off during the day, but I found that this color wears off really nice. It doesn't look bad. It fades in a pretty type of pink way, so I don't mind it wearing off. Speaking of wearing off, I'm going to do a wear test on this foundation today, if I actually remember to check in every hour what it looks like. So if you want to see my true opinion on this Amazonian clay business and how it lasts, I will link that down below for you. And then one more spray for good luck. From this side, the wind is blowing, so everything just went straight past me. For my hair, I've had it in a sock bun since last night. I washed my hair. So now I just need to figure out from what side I rolled it so that I can unroll it. There we go. Look at that curl factor. Just puff it all out. Now I got massive hair, which is going to calm down really fast, but it's going to last long enough for the Instagram selfie. So I usually just like split my hair here, kind of like from this corner halfway to the back. Throw my hair over to the sides. I love my hair on the front. And then for this chaos that you get here, I have sunglasses to just kind of tame it a bit. And then this can go to the back, this is at the front, throw this underneath, fix my collar. Okay, and then this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!